What Igbos are building in Lagos. Just watch this video. This thing you are seeing here is not residential. As you're watching it, it's like a state. This is warehouses. This is a warehouse where they are packing goods. Nobody is living here. This is inside market. This is trade fair, Lagos. Nobody is living inside this place. This place is where they are packing goods. Look at it. Tell me the reason why Lagos State or government will not be treating us the way they are treating us. This is the reason why majority will not agree for freedom. This is it. Look at it. Just keep watching. Keep watching. In this place, there are more than 2,000 houses. 2,000, more than 2,000. What is 2,000? It's more than 2,000 here. But if you come to the east, you will see empty plots everywhere, undeveloped.
Unanugo maka Lion Business Park. Ayanugo, fano na night mile elugu. Ebe wepụtara eru nnukwu ahịa maka ọdịmma ndị Igbo ngabụ nke anyị o.
Hey! Lion Business Park and God's Agenda Production don't carry another ogbonge opportunity come again o. This na Lion Business Park free trade zone wey dey for custom toll gate 9th mile Enugu State, Nigeria. This estate stand on top 2,000 hectares of land wey they go take construct everything wey correct estate dey get, plus including more than 22,000 shops with thousands of warehouses and factories for business and industrial people. E never finish o. Central Business District go still dey, plus dry port, logistics hub and trailer park. Exhibition centers for manufacturers go still dey on ground, which means say no matter the business wey you wan do for the estate, everything wey you need to run am go dey inside. For inside this industrial hub, you no need to pay import or export duties at all o. This one na the sweet belle arrangement wey dey ground for you. What of residential area? God's Agenda Residential Estate dey for inside Lion Business Park with affordable houses for inside. Schools wey dey meet global standard plus ogbonge hospital sef, all of them dey. Enjoyment and relaxation nko, 5-star hotels go plenty for the estate, plus the Lion Amusement Park and the Lion Leisure Square for anybody wey wan go enjoy ogbonge relaxation. This estate go still get shopping arcade, different size of plaza, plus football pitch and tennis court. Security sef go tight with CCTV cameras and movement go smooth with traffic light and correct concrete road. Lion Park Estate dey accessible from Enugu Onitsha Expressway. This kind park na the first of im kind inside Africa. So wetin you dey wait now? Call God's Agenda on top 0803 635 9043 or 0806 611 6799. Make you find out more information about this park. Lion Business Park by God's Agenda Production. The future dey start.